Some cameras are designed to be convenient, and some are designed to be precise. Today we're taking a look at one that's all about precision, the Olympus OM-1. Released in 1972, the Olympus OM-1 helped redefine what an SLR could be. At a time when most SLRs were large and heavy, this camera proved that you could have professional-level performance in a compact body. It set the tone for the entire OM system and influenced camera design for years to come. Jane Hope Brown, William Eugene Smith, and Catherine Mary Gerner were some of the many professional photographers who used the Olympus OM-1. The first thing you notice is how compact it is. Unlike many other SLR cameras, the shutter speed dial is around the lens mount instead of on the top. It takes a moment to get used to, but once you do, it's fast and intuitive. This is a fully mechanical, metal-built camera, and everything feels solid. On top of the camera is the power switch, film rewind crank with a back cover release, and a hot shoe socket. A variety of hot shoes are available to suit your needs. On the other side of the top is the ISO-ASA dial, the film advance lever with the shutter release button, and a frame counter. On the front of the camera is a lens release button, the film speed dial, the self-timer lever, and the stop-down button. On the bottom of the camera is the motor drive socket and the battery compartment. On this camera, the motor drive socket cap is missing. There are several motor drive options available for this camera. The camera back is interchangeable with a variety of options available. The viewfinder is large, bright, and clear. In the viewfinder, you will find over and under exposure markers represented by a plus sign and a negative sign markers. When the needle falls between these markers, you will get the correct exposure. Finally, you will see a split image metering spot with a microprism ring as a focusing aid. There are no shutter speed or aperture indicators in the viewfinder. However, that didn't hinder me from taking great photos. Focusing is fully manual. This is accomplished by using a bright viewfinder and split prism focusing screen. It's quick, accurate, and really satisfying once you get the hang of it. This camera encourages a slower, more deliberate way of shooting. The focusing screen is interchangeable with a variety of focusing screens available. With the OM-1, everything is in your control. You set the aperture, your shutter speed, and your focus. There's a built-in light meter to guide you, but the final exposure is always up to you. Shooting in manual mode may sound intimidating. However, the built-in light meter makes it easy to get great shots. Image quality depends on your film and lens, but Olympus OM lenses are known for their sharpness and color. You can get incredibly detailed images with beautiful contrast and a classic film look. Here are some of the pictures taken with the Olympus OM-1. The OM-1 is fully mechanical, and that is one of the biggest advantages. The battery is only used for the light meter, so even without power, you can keep shooting, making it very reliable in the long run. If the batteries die, it is possible to continue shooting using the Sunny 16 rule. This camera originally used the 1.35 volt PX625 mercury cell battery, but they are no longer available. Replacement wine cell MRB 625 zinc air batteries are easily available. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this camera. Let's start off with the pros. This camera is compact and lightweight for an SLR. It is fully mechanical and reliable. Olympus offered excellent lens quality, and it's great for learning and mastering photography. Now let's turn our attention to the cons. There is no automation at all. There is a learning curve for beginners, and it has a unique control layout which takes some getting used to. Here are some more pictures taken with the Olympus OM-1. Now we'll discuss who may or may not like this camera. Who this camera is for. Photographers who may want full manual control. People who enjoy compact, well-designed cameras. And film shooters who appreciate precision and craftsmanship. Now let's turn our attention to who may not like it. Beginners looking for automatic modes. Anyone who wants autofocus or fast shooting. And shooters who prefer a fully guided experience. The Olympus OM-1 is about control and precision. If you enjoy the process of photography and want a camera that puts you in charge, this camera is a fantastic choice. It's compact, capable, and built for photographers who want to be fully involved in every shot. I was impressed with the camera's ease of use, and I will definitely put this camera on my favorites list. I really enjoyed the solid build and its compact size. Here's a bonus set of pictures taken with the Olympus OM-1. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my other film camera videos. And let me know if you prefer compact cameras like this, or something a little more automated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.